myself Giri Prabhas, .NET programmer, Spira Solution Private Limited. I explain about my project. My project title is Pattern-Based Topic for Document Modeling in Information Filtering. In this project, pattern-based approach has been used in the filter of information filter to generate the user information need from the collection of document. In this project, we can use it in the topic modeling. Topic modeling was based on the proposed to generate the model to represent the multiple document in the collection of document, and this has been the utilized the field of machine learning and information retrievals. In the existing system, we can use in the all the data mining and text mining techniques hold on the user interaction is only the related to the single topic. The proposed concept user information need are generated in the teams of multiple topics. Each topic is represented by the patterns. Patterns are generated from topic model and are organized in teams of their statistical and testomatical phase. The existing techniques using the LDA and the proposed techniques novel information filter modeling. The drawback of existing system, strong important part of data, and advantage of the proposed system exists excellent in document modeling. In the overall diagram is, in the user can upload the document modeling and filter the document and topic wise modeling in the users. In the search of the users can access the summarization of the document. The proposed system technique explanation. Novel information filter modeling. An information filter system is a system that removes the reduce and unwanted information from the document. Technology of using in the project. In this project, ASP.NET Store Procedure 3-tier architectures. And the software requirement for in the project, operating system Windows 7 and 8.1. Front end Visual Studio 2013, back end SQL Server 2012. And hardware requirement, processor Pentium and hard disk 40 GB. And the feature system is hyperlink related examinations. Thank you.